Okay, two more questions on the quiz. This is the thinking question, part A and part B. Part A, we have a yo-yo being swung around in a vertical circle. That means as if you were swinging, kind of hard to explain that without a picture. But if you're holding it, it's going from horizontal to vertical. So this direction is up here. So the yo-yo is going around you in a circle, around your shoulder in a circle where it goes up to the sky and then down close to the ground. And the question is to ask you to draw a free body diagram of this yo-yo. Now, neat, complete. Ideally, you're going to use a ruler to draw that. See if I can reach a ruler. This little one here will do fine. Join the Navy and see the world. Okay, so here's our yo-yo, which, because we're drawing it as a free body diagram, becomes a square yo-yo. You could also draw it as a circle, that's fine. And we're drawing a free body diagram, so that's only talking about the forces. And this is at the instant shown in the diagram. So the string is horizontal and the yo-yo is traveling upwards. So the forces acting on it, there are only two. The only forces acting here are gravity, which is always acting downwards. And the only other thing touching this yo-yo is that string, which is pulling it towards the left. Now, the tension in the string is 12 newtons and the gravitational force is 5 newtons. So I'm going to draw that string tension force much larger. That is your entire free body diagram. That is all you need to draw. You can write in things like mg, or you can write in 5 newtons because it was given, and you can write in 12 newtons here. Now, to calculate the magnitude of the vector force, well, all we're doing here is literally taking those two forces. So our 12 Newton left force and our 5 Newton gravitational force, and we're finding the resultant. That is the net force, the instant vector force acting on this yo-yo, on this mass. So if this is 12 newtons, and this is 5 newtons, we just have to use Pythagoras. We can say that, let's call this R, or let's call it, let's just call it R. So resultant force. So R, now I'm taking the vector off of it because we don't care about the direction, we're only being asked for the magnitude. So R squared is going to equal to 12 squared plus 5 squared, which is 144 plus 25, which is 169. And the square root of 169 is 13. So our answer is 13 newtons. And that's the quiz.